I heard this secret that successful people make decisions very quickly. They say it's to create momentum, build confidence, and preserve all that precious energy we spend on overthinking. As a person with a backlog of to-do list tasks and a bad habit of overthinking, I think it's time I try this out for myself.
So this is the TV room. I wanted to DIY this room for a long time now. It's where we watch movies and kind of hang out, but it has looked the same for the past 3 years. And when I first moved in, I kind of just made it good enough. But other than that, I'm not attached, and I think that we just zhuzh it up a bit.
This is the plan. As you can see, it's the same living room. It's 7 different ways. We're going for calm, maybe a bit of Nancy Meyers in there, just a cozy space. But the thing that I want to do the most is to add wall moldings. I did the trim in my office myself. At least I'm not completely new to DIY, but at the same time I'm a little nervous because if I want to complete everything on my 20s bucket list, then I will basically need to get this done within less than a week. So that's great. I love that. Save on some time. We're gonna clean this room up now.
Empty. Every time I want to start a new project, I take forever to get things going. Weighing out my options and making sure I'm fully prepared to start, mentally, physically, and emotionally.
I did my calculations and we're gonna need a lot of wood.
Of course, it's good to think things through in most cases, but I think I do it a little too much. My parents, on the other hand, are the opposite. I'll mention an idea I'm just starting to think about, and by the end of the day, they'll already have started working on it. I want to channel that energy. Less overthinking, more doing.
This is what happens when it does not fit in the car. And that is how you cut in the Home Depot parking lot.
Alright, so I pretty much got all my supplies. I have level, I have the wood that we got from the Home Depot, and I also got this. This is no more nails, and oh god, wait, how do you even use this? Yeah, I'm just gonna start. Oh my gosh.
Often the biggest reason we overthink our decisions is because we're afraid to make the wrong one. But I think all it does is delay the inevitable.
Guys, I'm fucked. It's literally a fail. Oh my god.
At some point you still have to choose, and by then you've only wasted time that could have been spent adjusting. We know having a lot of options is a good thing. We can customize our lives exactly how we want, but in reality, too many options can get overwhelming. Instead of feeling excited by a possibility, we end up with choice paralysis, trying to weigh out all the options against one another. That's when the overthinking starts and nothing gets done. Okay, day two of the DIY. Oh my gosh. Well, a couple of updates. The first one is that
This is taking way longer than I thought it would. I was able to put up some wall moldings yesterday and ended up working late into the night to try and get some progress done. I did make a couple of mistakes. I still have to do another wall and a half, and then I have to prime them, and then I also have to paint this whole room. Even when I think that something will take X amount of time, it literally takes like every single time it takes more than that. What am I doing wrong? I don't know. I always thought people who moved fast were just extremely confident and know it all, and wondered if they just got a memo that I didn't. When we overthink, we think we're doing ourselves a favor, minimizing mistakes and feeling as prepared as we possibly can. We take our time, think it through, and still, somehow, we could choose wrong. But I realize it's more about being able to just run with it, adapting, pivoting, learning as you go, and trusting you'll figure things out whatever the outcome will be. Sometimes it can feel like this cycle, where I'm going as fast as I can and it's still not enough. It's frustrating, but those are the moments that teach you how to adjust, how to move smarter instead of just faster. Over time, those small, quick choices compound into momentum, and that's the difference between staying stuck and growth. Alright, so this is what we're working with.
Something better come my way before I freak the fuck out. Okay, I know I gotta start looking too, but oh my god, I think I'm doomed. Like every minute it gets harder, rank gets steeper, and soon enough I'm gonna meet my reaper. Is this all we get? A couple cheap laughs and a deep regret. Baby, you are just another thing I'm lost to, telling up the pain I caused you, giving it to someone brand new.
Okay, our progress, all the moldings are up on the wall, and now we just have to paint. We're finally painting today. We've done all these moldings. The most time-consuming thing was priming and caulking everything, and just the prep. The prep in general just takes so long. We're finally ready to paint, and let's just get it done.
Aria has arrived.
We're getting put to work.
We'll start.
This is too boring.
Baby, I would be your fool if you let me or forget me, 'cause I'm just another thing you're lost to.
Sorry, paint on the pants. So bad.
After many quick decisions this week, I can confidently say successful people might just be onto something. With the self-imposed timeline, I didn't even have time to question anything. It was just one thing after another. But I'll also say it takes 100 times more effort. The truth is, decisions aren't permanent, but we'll take something from it and change course if we need to. And the best thing about deciding quickly is that you can figure all of that out faster too.
Okay guys, we did it. I literally can't believe we did this transformation. Near the end, I barely documented. I was just trying to finish it. The stairs literally sent me into psychosis, but we got through it. Aria and my parents helped me out, and I literally could not have done this in the time frame that I did without them. So shout out to them, because I would have still been working on this right now. I was able to use majority of the furniture I already had or swap in some pieces. The only thing that changed was the couch. I know the green couch is iconic, but it honestly was not comfortable. purely aesthetics. So now this feels more like a room you want to watch movies in. There's still a lot of things that I want to add, like curate more artwork on the walls, maybe even some wallpaper, who knows. I'm proud how it turned out, and yeah, that was nuts. Honestly, for wanting to do this for the past 2.5 years and getting it done within less than 2 weeks, I'm kind of impressed. I don't know how to feel about that, but I am impressed nonetheless. First task done.
And I'm ready, yeah, yeah. This time I'm going all in. I used to be blue, and so were you, until we knew this love so true. Now I'm ready, yeah, yeah. I'm ready for the good times to begin.
So glad that's done, right? Right? Like I was saying, you deserve a break. Okay, we've worked hard, you worked hard, you did the thing, just take a break, right? What's this? Oh no. No, we're not. No, absolutely not.